Ever downloaded an app with the best intentions, only to find it collecting dust in your digital drawer? Maybe Snoop, the financial tracking app, isn't quite your budgeting buddy anymore. That's cool. Financial journeys are personal, and sometimes tools need to be swapped out. But how do you give Snoop the boot and ensure your financial data makes a clean getaway? Fear not, fellow financier. This video will be your one-stop shop for deleting your Snoop account. We'll walk you through the process, whether you're a die-hard desktop user or a phone-first kind of person. Before we dive in, let's talk a little about why you might want to delete your Snoop account. Maybe you found a new budgeting app that speaks to your financial soul. Perhaps you're just decluttering your digital life and want to streamline your financial toolkit. Whatever the reason, deleting your Snoop account is totally your prerogative. Now, onto the good stuff, getting Snoop out of your financial picture. Method 1, the App Annihilator, for mobile users. For those who manage their finances on the go, this method's for you. First, grab your trusty phone and unleash the app kraken, open the Snoop app. Once you're in the app, venture into the mystical land of settings. This might be a gear icon or hidden under your profile section, but don't worry, a little app spelunking never hurt anyone. Once you've unearthed the settings, look for the equally mysterious Delete Account option. It might be tucked away under a submenu called Account Management or have a more dramatic title like Nuclear Option, but hopefully not. When you find the Account Deletion option, a pop-up might ask you to confirm your decision. Take a deep breath, think about those financial spreadsheets calling your name, and hit that glorious Yes, Delete button. Method 2, the Email Executioner, for desktop users. For the desktop warriors out there, fear not. You can also vanquish Snoop from the comfort of your computer chair. The first step is to boot up your computer and find your email hero, your preferred email program. Craft a new email and address it to Snoop's deletion squad at hello@snoop.app. In the subject line, be clear and concise. Something like delete my Snoop account or request to close account will do the trick. In the body of the email, you can keep it simple. Just state your request to close your Snoop account and mention the email address associated with it. Adding a quick thanks never hurts either. After composing your email masterpiece, hit send and wait for the Snoop Slayers to do their thing. They'll likely send you a confirmation email once your account is deleted. A farewell to Snoop and some important housekeeping. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted your Snoop account. Your financial data is now Snoop-free. However, there's one more thing to consider. While Snoop will delete your data, it's always a good practice to check with any connected bank accounts. These institutions might have their own data retention policies, so you might need to follow their specific procedures to ensure your financial information is completely scrubbed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.